beRuach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. BeRashit, Genesis, chapter 8. And the sons of Nuakh, who went forth from the ark, were Shem, name, Kham, burnt, and Jepet, he will entice. Also, Kham was the father of Canaan. These are the three sons of Nuakh, and of them the whole earth was overspread. Moreover, Nuakh became a husband of the Adamah, and he planted a vineyard. Also, he drank the wine. Thus he became drunk and uncovered within his tent. Then Kham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father, and he told his two brethren outside. So Shem and Jepet took a garment and laid it upon both their shoulders, and went backwards and covered their father's nakedness. Furthermore, their faces were backwards. Therefore, they did not see their father's nakedness. However, Nuakh awoke from his wine and knew what his younger son had done to him. And he said, "Cursed is Canaan. He will be a servant of servants to his brethren." Then he said, "Shem is the endowed of he who exists, the Elohim, and Canaan will be his servant. Elohim will entice Japet. Therefore he will dwell in the tents of Shem, and Canaan will become his servant." Moreover, Nuakh lived 350 years after the flood, and all the days of Nuakh were 950 years. Thus he died.